In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $200 a day promoting Clickbank products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to do this method with the freelance niche. Okay, so basically you want to come over to this search box right here and you want to type in freelancing. And once you type this in the search bar on Clickbank, you are going to see freelance products that you can start promoting on Clickbank and start making money. So basically, this is an example of a product right here. As you can see, my freelance paycheck. And you can see this product is going to pay $54.66 once you make any sale for this product. And also, you are going to get a recurring income of $10 every single month as long as the person stays on this product. This is another product right here that you can promote and get $35. So I'm going to show you how to use this product right here. So now you want to come over to this free PLR downloads and you want to download a free PLR ebook that's going to actually give people value, and we are going to make money using this ebook. So basically, this PLR product can be used for absolutely free. You can even use them as if they were your own. So you want to come over to this search box and you want to type in a related niche to whatever product you are promoting on Clickbank. So since this is a freelance product, all we just need to do is to look for a freelance ebook on this website. All right, so once you type in freelance on this search box, you want to click on search. And once you do that, you are going to see there are about 4 ebooks right here that we can download and use to make money for absolutely free. So I'm going to take this one here as an example, which says Guide to Successful Freelancing, as you can see right here. Okay, so now what you want to do from here, all you just need to do is click on this download button right here. And it's going to start downloading to your device right away. So while it's downloading, you want to come over to this website right here. I'm going to leave a link in the description. This website, you can use it to edit any PDF or any ebook, and you can start using that ebook to make money as long as it's a PLR ebook. Okay, all right, so the next thing you want to do is to create an account with this website right here. You can see this is a free trial right here. They have a paid plan, but you can get started with a free plan right here. All you just need to do is click on this start trial right here. Okay, you can create an account with Facebook, Google, or Apple right here. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. All right, so what you want to do from here, you want to over to this add new button right here, and you want to click on this upload document. And then you want to click on this select from device. So once you click on this select from device right here, you want to basically locate where the downloaded PLR ebook is saved. So I'm going to just click on this open right here. All right, so after clicking on that, you want to click on this start editing. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page right here. As you can see, this is the ebook right here, Guide to Successful Online Freelancing. All right, so basically you can see right here, this is the ebook right here, and you can scroll to any of the pages of the ebook right here. Okay, you can see this is one of the pages right here, the 13th page of this ebook, how to get into the freelance business. So basically we are going to be making money using this free PLR ebook. So now what you want to do from here, you want to scroll to the very top of the page. So once you come over to the top of the page right here, so all you just need to do is come over to the bottom of each of the pages right here. You are going to see this arrow right here, and then you want to click on this. So now you want to type in something simple like this: the secret to making $5,000 a month with freelancing blueprint. Okay, and the reason why I did this is because if you go over to this product and if we look at the landing page of this product right here, as you can see right here, get paid to work from home, #1 secret to getting income as a freelancer. All right, and you can see there's someone right here who is making $4,600 a month with this product right here. So what you want to do from here, all you just need to do is to click on promote right here, and you want to click on create uplinks. So once you click on create uplink, all you just need to do is copy your Clickbank affiliate link to this product right here, which is going to pay you $54. All right, so now you want to come back here and you want to highlight this text right here, and then you want to come over to this attach a link right here. So you want to click on that and you want to paste in the Clickbank link right there, and you want to click on save. So whenever people open this ebook, they will see this link, and if they click on it, it's going to take them to this page. And once they purchase this product that's going to help them make money with freelancing, you make money. All right, so basically all you just need to do right here is to copy this and you want to paste it at the bottom of every page of this ebook right here. So now the next thing you want to do, all you just need to do is click on done right here. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you back to your dashboard right here. And then you want to basically just click on this button right here. And you want to click on save as right here. And you want to save it to your PC. So once you save it to your PC, all you just need to do is come over to Mediafire to upload the saved document. Okay, so all you just need to do is click on upload right here. All right, and you want to upload it to mediafire.com. So once you've uploaded the edited ebook, you want to basically click on copy this link right here, and you want to basically come over to this website to shorten the link. So once you come over here to shorten the link, all you just need to do is click on shorten right here. Okay, so now you want to go over to Facebook and you want to look for people who are interested in making money with freelancing. And an example of that is Fiverr groups. Okay, so basically all you just need to do is come over to Facebook and type in Fiverr groups right here. It's going to show you public groups that you can join right away. Okay, so as you can see right here, these are groups of people who are looking to make money with Fiverr. All right, so all you just need to do is come over to this group right here. This one as an example. So if I click on this group that has over 154,000 members. All right, so now I don't recommend you come over to this group to spam your links. What I recommend is coming over to this group right here. And all you just need to do is come over to the post section and you want to type, hello guys, I understand how tough it can be getting orders on Fiverr, especially if you have little to no reviews. I have a secret method for you. Just comment me below and I'll give it to you for absolutely free. All right, so basically now all you're just going to do is to share this ebook that you uploaded on mediafire.com. All right. So the second method I'm going to show you is by coming over to fiverr.com and you want to basically type in any category right here. As you can see, an example is logo design right here. So once you type whatever keyword you want in the search bar, you can see right here. So if I click on this one right here as an example, you can see this person has over 300 orders in queue. So this person doesn't need this product at all. So what you want to do is to come over to this sort by and you want to change it to this newest arrival. And once you do that, you can see we have over 49,000 people who have not made a dime on Fiverr. You can see right here, these people have no review on Fiverr. As you can see right here, I can keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. These guys right here have no reviews and they are still struggling to make money on Fiverr. So all you just need to do is click on this gigs right here and you want to click on this contact seller right here. As you can see, like I showed you, they have no orders in queue and they have not made any money on Fiverr. And now you want to send a message to that Fiverr seller, writing something similar to what we wrote on Facebook by saying, hello, I understand how tough it can be getting orders on Fiverr, especially if you have no reviews. I have a secret method for you and I'll give it to you for absolutely free. All right, so basically all you just need to do is to send them to this ebook right here, and once they download this ebook and they click on the link, they come over to this page and you make money. So let's say you get about 100 people to purchase this product and you are going to get $54.66. You can see right here that you are making over 5k a month promoting this product right here. And keep in mind, this product has a recurring income of $10 every month if they stay on this product, and you can see that is $100 in passive income. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any useful information, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.